Welcome back to another wonderful edition of Photoshop tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an epic paper rip photo effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, create a new document with size 1388 by 1080. Turn the background layer off and open your image. After that, drag the image onto your document and resize it using Ctrl and T from the keyboard. Fantastic. Now let's duplicate the image layer and rename the first one as image 1. Rename the second layer as image 2. Now open the rip effect images and drag them onto your Photoshop document. Adjust the rip effect images till you get a desired result. Create a layer mask on the image 1's layer and turn the image 2's visibility off. Make sure that the foreground color is set to black and select the brush tool. Choose the hard round brush and start painting on the mask. After you've finished, turn the image 2 layer back on and create a black and white adjustment layer on top of it. Voila! There you have it, how to create an epic paper rip photo effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for more awesome graphics and Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next one.